Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to tell you about what if analysis. First of all, understand the concept. What if analysis is the process of changing the values in one cell to see how those changes will affect the outcome of formula on the worksheet. We have three kind of what if analysis in Excel, that is goal seek, data table, scenario manager. First of all, I am going with goal seek. What is goal seek? Goal seek is a built-in Excel tool that allows you to see how one data item in formula impact the another. Now if you see on my screen, I have written some sample of data. I have the name of item is sugar. That means I am taking the example of sugar. I have written the quantity of sugar and the price of sugar. Now see, if I want to calculate the total sales of this product, I need to multiply this column with this column so that it will calculate the total sales. For that I have to write equal to sign. I want to multiply this column, multiply sign, this column and press enter. I'll get the result. If I'll change the value of quantity or price, it will automatically change my total sales amount. Now see what goal seek will do in this case. Suppose I want my sale should be 5,000. So for that 5,000 I need to change either the quantity or price. First of all, I have to select the cell where I want to change the value. That is this cell, 2000 amount. I have to click on data tab. In data tab, I have to click on this what if analysis. From this dialog box, I am going to select goal seek. Now the goal seek dialog box will appear. Now the first thing is set cell. I already selected this cell. It will automatically take the address of this cell. Now next thing is to value. I want value should be 5,000 instead of 2,000. Now it is asking by changing cell. Either I have to select this quantity, because if I want sales should be 5,000, I need to change the quantity or I need to increase the price. Suppose I am going to select the quantity and after that I have to click OK. Now see, it is showing me this result, that is if I increase the quantity to 125 kg and amount will remain the same, then I'll get this result. If you are agree with this result, you can press OK, otherwise cancel it. Now again I am going to select what if analysis, goal seek. Now my cell is already set. I want to set the value, that is 5,000. Now this time I want to select the price. How much I increase the price so that I'll get the result 5,000. So I'm going to press OK. Now you can see if I will increase the price of sugar to rupees 100, then I'll get 5,000 total sales. So in this way goal seek will work. Now come to data table. Suppose I want proper table of my sales and quantity. I want to calculate the total sales if my quantity will be 35 kg. I want proper sales if my quantity will be 45 kg. For this, we first need to copy this column in this cell. So I am going to press equal to and select this cell and press enter. It will copy this cell. Suppose I am going to change the value of quantity 55 kg. Now you can see it will automatically change because I implemented formula here and I copy this cell here. It will also change. Now I am going to write 50 again. Now see, I want to calculate the total sales in all these columns. Now first of all I have to select my data. See, I selected from here only, not from here. I have to select from here. No need to select extra row and column like this. No, you have to just select from here to here. Now I need to click on what if analysis, and this time I am going to select data table. Now data table dialog box will appear. It is asking row input cell, column input cell. That means I have quantity in my column, not in row. So I have to select this option, column input cell. Now in this cell you have to select this quantity option and click OK. Now it will automatically calculate the amount, that is for 35 kg. If I will take the same price, that is 40, our total sale will be 1400. In case of 45 kg, if I will take same price 40 kg, then my sale will be 1800, and so on. In this way you can calculate for entire column. No need to implement formula again and again. Now suppose I want data table like if my quantity will be 20 kg and the price per kg of sugar is 25. What would be the total sales? If my quantity will be 40 kg and the price of 1 kg will be 30, then what will be the total cost? So I need the proper table. For that I have to first write this amount in this column. For that I have to press equal to sign and I am copying this data and press enter. It will copy my data. Now I have to select the data. No need to select any extra row and column. I have to just select from this cell to this. Again I have to click on data tab. From data tab I have to select data table. Now it is asking row input cell. In row I have written the price. So I need to select price from here. In the column cell I have written the quantity. So in this cell I have to select this quantity because I want to calculate against this data. So click OK. Now it will show me the result. That is, if the quantity is 20 kg and the amount per kg is 25, then the total sale will be 500. If the quantity is 20 kg and the price of per kg is 30, then the sale will be 600. If the quantity is 20 kg and the price per kg is 50, then the sale would be 1000. So in this way data table can be implemented. Now come to scenario manager. Suppose I want to save this data for future use. So you need to select these two columns and after that you have to click on scenario manager. Now you have to add the name of your scenario. Click on add button. Suppose I am going to write it Sunday sales and I have to just click OK. OK. Now suppose someone change the value of price per item, that is 100, then this data will change. If someone change the quantity, then again data will change. So if I need to change the data as the previous one, so I need to click on this scenario manager again. I have to select the name of my scenario, that is Sunday sales, and click on show. It will again show my previous data. So in this way you can implement goal seek, data table, scenario manager. That's it for this video.